the first stage that we need to and they still keep the common atmosphere really original. It might not look like the other street food on the vending in the city, which is fine because my intention is for you to experience something local, local community, and you would find so many products here, not only food. The food and the dessert, I think they're all great. And you will find many products too, including craft food. It's not that big though. We're going to be here until 3 o'clock. Okay? We're going to leave here at 3 o'clock sharp to avoid the traffic. So we have about 3 hours here. But first, I know you're hungry. I'm hungry too. Over there, like at the end of the market, there is the food market for your foreign friends. It's a good time for conversation with your vendors. Okay?
Including night market, and we found a lot of things. But the point of interesting for our group is like this scenario, like people who are lonely walk along the night market, and they have a lot of street vendors beside. But the interesting thing that this boy is like a zombie, and they very bored, like you say, and the thing they didn't attractive to the street vendor, but in the point of street vendor view, they stand up here and they see that the boy walking, and why they not see me? They see that the boy attractive to the girl, so the street vendor know that. Wow! So I need to do something for the boy to enhance them, so they may be attractive more the vendor, so that the vendor can have like a duty for Thai people usually not feel shy to express the love or the feeling, emotion, action to the one who love, like not only the couple, but for the family too. So we come up with the design statement that in order to enhance opportunity of love expression for family or couple, we are trying to be able to show their love without being awkward. The people are very crowded in the arena, and they have a camera where they zoom into the couple, and the couple kiss each other without feeling awkward. They feel free to kiss even though there are many people there, and surrounding are cheer up them to do. Yeah, and they feel free.
No kiss.
Yeah, no.
Because fast man. impression. That baseball stadium. The couple is just a couple, and they want kiss when they take a picture.
Kiss cam.
Yeah. So that's they want to kiss.
Yes.
But this situation is very difficult to kiss.
Or or
So
stranger.
you have to think a more idea. They go to kiss.
To kiss. Okay.
So he's thinking about how friendly or how deep friendly, how deep communications each other at the first time to see. So you have to create something.
We do the journey map about the seller from the side of seller what they do meet, feel and talk and some change opportunity that we can do after that. And before it means that before the seller do something like what they do, what they think, what they feel, the seller that sell the kind of thing like roti. Do you guys know roti, right? Roti is something that like the flour, the flour. And after that, we do the journey map of the side of consumer. So after we doing a journey map, we see that like some problem is when we go and want to buy some roti, there are a lot of people in front of the cart and crowded and like it's block the footpath too. And we see that it's make the inside of customer is make customer feel like confusing which is the line and is that my order now or is that my queue now to order my roti or in terms of seller they like confused and we feel like there is a problem that make the people block the pathwalk.
All time who was like today I'm so tired, my boss keep complaining me all day, I'm so tired, so I want to be relaxed, I want to give time to myself, so something that the US, and then we found a group that sound interesting for us, that is Explorer. Explorer is a group of people who have the mind that I enjoy exploring of them. So we found an Explorer gangs, which is kind of people who have this mindset. We didn't mind that they're gonna be young, gonna be like teenage, working age, or elderly. Because everyone can reach it without unexpected thing, the surprise, the feeling that, wow, I never know this before, it's a new thing, or something that they like feel surprised. Then again, like happy to learn the new culture. And they like kind of easygoing guy, they don't mind that everything was fine, believe them, just make them like get a new thing that they never know before. But what makes them feel unsatisfied is like, yeah, something fake, something pretend, something that, oh, everything is the same. Like if you do graphic, you're gonna be like copy and like control C, control V, like that. So they don't like something like that. They like all something that everything are the same. And by that, after Bangkok got like some big cleaning, I don't say that word, but yeah, it's like big cleaning that every vendor have to move out, right?
Go and grab other stuff to eat or drink. And so what we found is that it's very hard to decide where to go for the house. And sometimes it's hard to choose what to try. The new feeling is not there. You need a new feeling, you need a new experience. And so because like, all the shops are the same, it just kind of becomes like a routine. And so for the explorer, it becomes boring over time.
Have to travel in Thai for the first time and then kind of speak Thai or a little bit English. Like, okay, so we like to draw some scenario and we have like, imagine if the persona is a coconut. Coconut is a Japanese girl's information or the ingredients in English. They have only in the Thai, so she cannot understand like which one they have like nut or they do like pork or beef, like something like that. So when she tried and she eat it, it's too spicy. And as you know that all the foreigners that come to Thailand, they cannot like eat much of spicy. So when she like feel that it's too spicy, it's create like the bad.
So it's a lot of people over there and kind of like connect people afterward, and we come up with scenarios to make you guys understand. So right there we have like a school. So example is that Yuan is a SJC student, like she is the one who study over there, and like after school she go out from the school. When she come out of school, she see like many people walking along the street, and Yuan try to walk along the street and she like was crashed by other people. Also she stuck on the pavement because of the long line that waiting from the.
And they always have the something with the potato because after the World War II, Germany will be very poor, so they always have the dishes with the potato. And come back to Thailand. Why was the Thailand food always be spicy? That's I want to know. Right, and I want to need more information and
Dealing with organization and we want to know the information for the opportunities you can try it before by grab the information about food, maybe like the ingredient and entertaining cooking courses. For our help the guests know what product they need and enjoy before buying and attract more guests.
Obviously, in the Thailand's market, so we ask restriction by taxation. By taxation, who, what, when, where, why. The who is the person, like a resident, traveler, student, or shop.